Hey guys, you know, I'm here right now. Here, here in the forest. Yeah, there's some house over there. Just imagine you're having a confirmation or damage into your body, and everybody don't believe you. Well, today it's happened to me. I don't know why, but I keep asking for help to bring me to the hospital to begin some kind of a operation to me. But you know what happened? Nothing. Nothing happens. Today I feel drained. I feel like I don't want to say it. My lungs it's like trying to collapse. I don't know why people don't believe me. They said I need medicines, I need like that. But the truth is, all of those medicine and all of those rest that I get made it worse. 'Cause today I couldn't breathe clearly, and I don't know about that. That's why if there's any help that I can take, thank you. And just remember, progress and discipline is the most valuable things here in this world right now. It is a form of self-love. They, I don't know what the hell is happening to me right now. I just feel drained and all. So, thank you. Also, by the way, my heart in here, I can feel any emotions. I feel like more like a sick person right now. Yep, I love you guys. See ya, and remember this.